Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by grounding yourself and collecting the right tools. This prevents static damage and speeds work. Once grounded, disconnect the battery and press the power button for 10-15 seconds to discharge residual energy, then remove the bottom case. You should inspect the logic board visually with a magnifier for burn marks, lifted components, or corrosion. These clues tell you where to focus your multimeter checks and which components to measure first. You now verify voltage rails and trace faults. Probe PP3V3, PP5V, and PP bus at labeled test points while the board is off, then with power applied if safe. If you find a short to ground, isolate it by desoldering nearby capacitors or MOSFET incrementally until the short disappears. This narrows down the fault. Once identified, replace the damaged SMD parts with correct values and orientation, and recheck continuity and voltages before moving on. You reassemble in reverse order, ensuring cable seating and proper screw placement to avoid shorting or flexing the board. Once assembled, reset the SMC and PRAM and perform a full power cycle while watching voltages and boot behavior. If the machine still fails to power or shows intermittent faults, use a thermal camera or careful current probe to find hidden shorts. And remember, if repeated component swaps fail, a professional with reballing.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.